Hey guys, this is MacMe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link your Xcode project to a Git repository. So if you go ahead and open up Xcode, one of these first options that they give you is connect to a repository. So you can, connect to a repository on your home machine, but if you're working on different machines or if you're working with other people, you might want to access somebody else's repository. And so Xcode has a bad way of showing you how to do this. There's not a lot of documentation that makes too much sense. So if you click connect to a repository, you can clone or check out. I'm going to give you a little hint onto what it should look like. So they tell you the scheme and then like where it is and then the path to the repository. So this is your organizer. So here's an example of one of them. I'm only showing you part of it because I don't want to show you my whole IP address. This is the hint that they give us. So an example, let's see, an example would be, so like here it is. So what I like to use is SSH as my scheme. So just do SSH : / and then host is the username that's logged in. So I'm logged in as MacMe, so if I was on a different computer and wanted to access this computer, I would have to log in as MacMe and then at my IP address. So this is something that's unique to your own computer. You can go to ipchicken.com and it'll tell you the IP address of the computer you're currently on. But usually it's like a random set of numbers with periods in them. I think it's usually about 4 sets of numbers. So it's something like that, and then it's to the directory that your Git repository is in, like the path to that. So if you go into terminal and you've navigated to it, if you type pwd, it'll tell you the direct path. But it's going to be something like user / macme / desktop / mygit. And that would be the path to my repository. And so this will give me that direct link. Once I have it set up, it'll say connected and it'll give me that little green dot. Once it connects, it'll also ask for a password authentication. So with SSH, it's really nice because it gives you that added protection to where you have to use the password. And so once you've connected to the repository, it'll ask you for your username and password. And that's how you'll get the clone of that Git repository. So how you connect to it and how you know it worked is that green light. And then, oh wow, I didn't want that, thank you. And so if it's not working, if you type in the wrong password or something, you'll get this yellow button. And if you can't connect to it, it's a red button. So either it doesn't exist or there's no, for some reason you have an error in what you typed or something. This will be red. So that's a good example of one that it's there, but you can't connect to it because you didn't type in the right password. So that's how you connect to a Git repository with Xcode. This has been MacMe. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and just leave them in the comments and I'll try to get back to you. Also, you can support me by making a donation to my PayPal tip jar at danwknight@gmail.com. Thanks, guys.